Welcome back to this video. Today's tutorial I will show you on how to make different text formats in WhatsApp complete guide. So let's go. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your chat. So I'm going to click on here. Alright, so let's say we want to make Italic Text. What we need to do is to simply click on our pad. Then we have to make sure we click on here and we make sure we select underscore. Then let's say I want italics. Then you have to make sure you also end it with underscore. Once you do that, click on send, then you have it as italics. Then right here you have it as italics. Okay, so right here you have it as italics. Okay, another text format I want to show you is that let's make a new tab and we want to make a bold. So what we need to do is to make sure we select this particular sign. Then we can click we can simply type bold. Then we make sure we come back to the character and select this sign again. Then I can simply send, just like so. We have it bold. Now let's say we want to have strike-through text on WhatsApp. What we need to do first is to go to our character panel. Then we have to look for this type of sign. So we have to look for this type of sign right here. So from our character panel, we have to look for this type of sign. We click on that. Then we can simply type in strike-through. Then we make sure we come back to the character panel and we choose this again. Then we send. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make different text formats in WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you